Hey guys, this is Juan here from Online Entrepreneur Now, and today I'm gonna be covering the course ClickBank University 2.0. So if you're looking for an affiliate marketing course and you're not sure which one is the best for you and you wanna see some reviews, then definitely stick around. So the ClickBank University course was created by ClickBank themselves, and if you don't know ClickBank, they are one of the biggest affiliate networks out there. And in this video I'm gonna go into my computer and I'm gonna show you how the course looks like and what is my take on it. So with that said, let's go over to my computer so I can show you more of the course. Okay guys, so now we are on my computer and this is the ClickBank University dashboard. So let me show you around. So when you just start out, you got a welcome screen, introducing the course, getting started section, again helping you start out. Some things in here are more premium, and I'm going to show you what I mean later on. So you might not be able to access everything in here. Then they have two sections you can choose from. Okay, so they got a vendor section and they got an affiliate section. So the vendor section is if you want to create your own product and place it on ClickBank, then this is the route for you. Okay, but I'm going to be talking more about the affiliate section because this is what most of us can start with more easily, and I think being a vendor requires more experience and more money to invest. You can go through both, obviously, but start with one, master it, and then turn on to the other. And I recommend you start with affiliate marketing and then move on to vendor if you want to. Okay, so in the affiliate section, on week one, they got 8 modules in total and a bonus module in here. So on week one, they explain affiliate marketing on ClickBank. Okay. On week two, they help you understand what affiliate marketing is. On week three, they help you find your passion or your niche, what you want to promote. On week four, the ultimate affiliate funnel. So how to funnel people to make a sale, okay, to make a purchase. So if you don't know what a funnel is, again, you first attract people to you in some form or way, and then you start following up with them and promoting and helping them make a buying decision. Okay. On week 5, they talk about your email deliveries. So I don't want to go too deep into it, but how to send your emails and to not over promote. On week 6, they help you write emails, okay, to your customers. The email blueprint, and then scaling and expanding. And this is a bonus of running affiliate promotions. Now, what I think about this course is that for the price, which is not high at all, it's like $47 at the time of this video, you can gain a lot of information in here and really understand how affiliate marketing works. What I didn't like about the course is that it focuses mainly on attracting customers through ads and paid traffic, and they give you like a quick version of how to do it. They don't show it for the long term, in my opinion. But for the price, you can learn a lot about affiliate marketing and online business in general. On the traffic section in here, they got some videos about YouTube ads, Facebook ads, setting up your Facebook ad, paid search on Google, and Instagram shoutouts. Okay, so each of these is like an hour long or maybe more. So that's really cool. Then over time you're gonna get some cool bonuses. So let me show you. You click on the library. So when you purchase something in here, you got a library, any product. So when you start, you got the ClickBank University 2.0 regular. They drip you the modules week by week. And if you want, you can unlock access to all the modules immediately. You just mail the support, and they will give you full access. Over time, you're gonna get some cool bonuses like market and customer research, copywriting guide, YouTube ads crash course, mini courses with the pros. So these are like webinars, and an advanced ClickBank University section. So let me show you around a little bit. So when you click on the mini courses, you got different strategy sessions in here. You can look for um, membership sites, productivity, paid search, how to get successful Facebook ad, um, Instagram shoutouts, and so on and so forth. So let me get back. Market research. So this section is pretty good in my opinion. They go pretty deep into how to find your customers, how to do market research. So it's not bad. It's not bad. Building your unique selling proposition, okay, and the resources. Everything is listed in here to help you find your customers. You got a copywriting guide, which I think is okay. You can read it. I don't think it's super helpful, but it's a bonus, so why not? You got the YouTube crash course in here. So how to set up your YouTube channel, and how to optimize it, how to run ads, and how to scale it. And then you get the advanced section, which is pretty cool. Um, so again, you got research in here. So researching your customer avatar through different channels. Copywriting. So they go a little bit deeper into copywriting. Um, I think you can find some insights in here. I didn't particularly like this section, um, but you can find some ideas and some insights about copywriting. You got the Facebook ad section. Um, Again, for me, it was a little bit hard to understand the way they teach it, but it's really extensive. They got a lot of modules in here just on Facebook ads, and that alone can cost a few $100 on the market. So that's pretty cool. Maybe for you it will be easier to understand. For me, it wasn't as easy. They got a YouTube section here, so paid advertising, YouTube video marketing. Um, they got an SEO section, so search engine optimization. So how to rank your content online with keywords, backlinks, and a few extra in here about Twitter and LinkedIn advertising. Yeah. So what I think about this course, again, I think for $47 you get a lot, okay, but it's not as organized and as understandable as I would like to, and I know many people feel that way. What I will say though is they are adding and improving over time, so maybe this course will be much better when you try it. But my experience with it was okay. And again, for $47, you get a lot of value in here. It just didn't feel as organized as I would like to, and it relied more about on paid traffic and less on free traffic or content marketing, um, which is much easier for us guys who are just starting out a new business and we don't have a lot of money to invest. Now, I want to show you something. When you purchase the course, there is something that many people don't notice. Okay, so this is the landing page of the course before you purchase it. Now, if you click here, um, you're gonna pay monthly, okay? And I'm gonna explain why. So if you go a little bit down in here, you see there's a little tick in here that says, yes, please give me access to ClickBank University Live, which is one live training webinar per week to get all your questions answered by Adam and Justin so you never fall behind. So if you leave that tick on, you will pay monthly to get weekly webinars with them. I didn't think it was worth it for me, at least. So if you want to just pay 47 one time, you you make sure you untick this and then you click yes. Okay. If you want to get it, then that's fine. You can leave it on. But I wanted to make sure you didn't miss it and didn't make that mistake. Now, after you purchase the course, they are gonna offer you a few upsells. Some of them might be okay for you. There's one that I would suggest you don't buy, which is the ClickBank funnel builder. In my opinion, it's really expensive and it ties you to ClickBank, so you can't use it for any other platform or website. So in my opinion, you should avoid that. About the other upsells, you can make your own decision about it. I didn't take any upsell, so I just paid $47 and I got all that I showed you. Yeah, I think they are improving all the time and you can learn a lot about it. But if you want to go a bit deeper, then I've made a video about affiliate marketing mastery by Stephen James, which is more high ticket course and costs more than ClickBank University, but it's more organized. It goes more in depth um, about affiliate marketing and online business in general. So if you want to see it, I will link it in the description below. And yeah, let's get back to the camera. Yeah, so I hope this review of ClickBank University has helped you make a buying decision. If you want to purchase that course, then I will leave a link in the description below. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing mastery, you can watch my video of last week. So I will link it in the description and you will see it on the video right now. And yeah, if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then leave them in the comment section below. And I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.